we go to a place, I might just ask him.
Yeah.
Because I probably really want to get the 15 horsepower. Because I'm trying to go out the gates.
Yeah. There it is. All set up. This is the motor. Jack's gonna get his own. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go out in the ocean right now. Well, here it is.
See the weight of the boat?
Yeah.
We've worked really hard to put this together here. We got this thing new. Got this. And there's the master right there. He's the master right there, that guy.
Thank you, Nick.
I'm gonna put you on YouTube. And there's the whole setup. Okay, we're heading to the launch. See right there, there's the boat. Right there.
Okay, now I gotta like turn the thing different.
Okay. He's gonna meet us down there and show us how to do this.
Am I good?
Shelter Island right here.
Wait, so where am I going?
Straight there, then take a right. Okay, so we're here. We got the lights off. Started the motor. Took the lights off down there. And got the seats up. Got all those up. We took this off, backed it up, and I was gonna take this thing off. And I'm gonna put this extension on.
If you're by yourself, you won't need this rig.
Oh, okay.
If you're by yourself, you won't need this because the guy in the boat's gonna be backing it out, riding in the car, in the back here while you're taking it down to the launch.
Okay.
And then when she dumps you in the water, this will float back it'll float back into this area right there, and then you'll fire it up and go over to the dock.
Okay.
Okay?
And
But
we
this
put
is
these
just for an
things on
example.
for the dock. And there's this little guy. I think, and then we put this thing down.
And then we're going to pull it back up after we got the extension on it.
Okay. So let me throw everything back there. There. And he's putting the
Then
extension
you're going
on
to need
there.
that pin again. For the screw. Yeah, put the bolt in there.
Cool.
And then
Here's what we got going.
between you standing on that and it being pitched into your ball hitch, it ain't going to break.
No. Putting that thing back on. And the ball right there. That's it.
There you go.
And then that ball goes back on that.
Then the old war stories are,
Extension.
and if you don't put this chain on, you see boats going down the ramp, out, and their trailer goes in the whole bay and everything.
Oh, I see what he's doing. He's got this line right here.
That gives you enough to get up on your thing without getting wet.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Oh,
Then you can stand on that,
yeah. And go, yeah.
put the brakes on.
So it's got that line tight right there. That's what pulled the boat from flipping out.
See, now you can get
You
up
got
in
to
there
step
and
on
slap
this.
these tires,
Right straight over the water.
and then what I do is I'm going to just show you how to do it. That way you know.
Oh, that's cool.
The boat's real light, so.
Cool. That's really cool. That's a classic 1958 glass slide or something like that. Look, he's on it. No way. That's so cool. That's so cool. I can't believe that. Started right up. How cool is that? That's so cool. Here he comes. This guy knows what he's doing. Nick knows what he's doing. That's Nick.
Then you can pull it out.
Okay.
Wait a second, I'll come up there.
Okay. I think he's gonna park there. That's an old Glasspar.
Can't remember.
Boat that he restored. I think it's a Cherry. Now we got this guy over here. Now we're gonna go park. Okay, cool. He's gonna come back. We're gonna park.
On this motor, it has to be in neutral. Pull the cord, and if it's locked, it seems like it's locked. Pull it. Is it locked? Okay.
Yeah.
Reach over to that handle and pull it forward a hair. The handle on the left.
Handle this one?
No, on the
That one.
side.
Oh, and the left.
Just pull it towards you, a hair. Now see if it pulls. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Just
Okay.
give it a pull, sharp pull.
Wow.
15 gear also.
Yeah, we're going.
We're already gone.
Here we are, taking it out for the first time. Look at this. There's the front, got a lobster trap. Got this right here on the sides. Jack's captain right now. Got it going. Oh, we're in gear. We're hauling ass.
Here we go, folks.
Okay, we're just out here.
Oh well.
Now we're reeling it in. Reeling it in right there. And then I'm gonna get out. Get back in. There it is.
Go ahead and sit down. Hold it, Kate. Keep going. Right there.
Nice. Okay.
Too much of a sin there.
I'm gonna get out. Thing right here, that's what you walk on. Right there.
Yeah.
I'm off the boat.
Because of the side bumpers that stay on that,
Yeah.
stay in the center of the boat the whole time.
Is he driving too fast?
I drive it fast too. Because it's light. Oh, you know, you really just lift it up on it. Got it on there?
Yeah.
Put that on there. That way you know it's all locked in. There you go. Now on some boats, this is pretty good safety thing. But some boats have a chain here, and they put another clip in it when you're driving down the freeway. That way, if the strap ever broke, this thing
Yeah.
would fly off.
Uh-huh.
But you don't need it. You're gonna keep those life jackets too, so those come with the boat. We'll put the covers back when we get back home, I think.
Okay.
But
Oh, there-
you're gonna
and
want to
these-
put those in the trunk.
Is that how you turn off the lights?
You have to turn the lights off here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That comes off.
Yeah.
I made this switch. There's the deck light. See the deck light over here in the front?
Oh, yeah, okay.
And this button
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
That way you can see without the illuminated ones on. This
Yeah.
one is, look at the nose.
Oh, yeah.
The nose, this is the nose.
Yeah.
That's the green and red
Yeah.
in the front.
Yeah.
Now, I didn't make a switch. I was going to put a button there
Uh-huh.
on the outside of this box.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to show you some things about this. You're going to want to get yourself a trickle charger. I have one at the house. I'll show you what they look like. It's a 12-volt marine battery,
Yeah.
right? When I'm at night, positive is already hooked up for this light,
Uh-huh.
right? So this is the ground.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got you.
This is what they this is called a 360 light. You can see it 360 degrees when it's turned on. You know. Let's just clamp down on there, and you just do this. Once it's on here tight.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Then you have to have that one on and this one on at night all times. Doesn't matter if you got the blue lights on or not. You still, as long as it's dark, that it has to be on and this has to be on. Sometimes it's so bright, you put a hat or a sock over it.
Really?
Because it blinds you.
Yeah.
Even lobster fishing, it'll blind you. So
Yeah.
Because when we lobster fish, we get one of those lights for your head, so that way you could look in the trap.
It's a lobster trap.
No spotlight.
Right.
And if you're going out lobster fishing, you know you can
We're doing the lights now.
put one on each
Take
side.
the lights out and put it in the water.
Now the cable's got to slide up in that slot first. That keeps it pulled against this.
Oh yeah, this thing
So
right
it
here.
doesn't drop against the street.
Yeah.
And this keeps it fastened to the rubber.
Oh. Cool. Okay, so,
So all the roads ain't nice. Yeah. Probably a couple times.
cool.
And I'll figure out the problem with this thing. And tighten up right, otherwise it won't. Under the edge of the whole thing that turns. The covers on the seats,
Okay.
because it'll just get thrashed by lobsters and fish and guts.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just hold the
you want to have it to
lobster
show.
trap on.
And whoever put that cover on didn't do a good job. Sorry about that. It's a little bit tight.
Have to do it over.
That's it. I just lock it up like this, and just leave it tight like that.
Yeah. Then you come over here and
And then come over here. This one on. I always leave one that stays all bound up, like this one.
yeah. Then you just crank it.
Now and then I pull on the one side.
Oh.
Oh, it came out.
Oh, wrong end.
That one's already tight, you see?
Yeah. I got you. That's that. Strap on the whole thing.